Hello all, here we will learn new interesting things in React. Before we get into the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In React, we don't mutate the state and use SetState to change the state of the component. But SetState can be asynchronous at times and may result in unexpected behavior when it uses existing state values compute the new state. Check out this example. I have a component which displays the count from the state. I have a button batched setState which increments the count value by 1. Here I have passed the object as how we do generally. Now let me increase the number of setStates in the function. Ideally the count should be increased as per the number of setStates. But here if you check out, still the count is increasing only by 1. This is due to batching. React batches multiple setState component into one and hence always the count value is increased only by 1. Now there can be times where we may need to execute multiple setState within a single function without batching. Let's assume the count value should increase by 1 for each setState. How do we handle that now? The setState has a second form where it gets a function as an argument instead of an object. This is the second form of the setState. This function by default gets the current state as the argument and doesn't batch with the other setState. By default, sync_increment, that is this function which is being binded to synchronous setState button, increases the count by 1. Now let's assume the count should increase by 1 for each setState. Let me now increase the number of setState within the sync_increment function. Now we have on the whole 4 setState within sync_increment function. Ideally, if we achieve what we expected, then on clicking of sync setState, we should increment the count by 4. Let's check that out. Yeah, it does. Since we are passing a callback function instead of an object, these setStates doesn't get batched and hence they are synchronous in nature. This may not be something you use daily, but may come handy in certain scenarios. That's for the day. We'll meet you with such interesting things in next video. Good day.